In this video, I am going to show you how you can whiten yellow teeth in Photoshop.
Subscribe 73 Editing and press the bell icon and never miss any update.
First click on the adjustment layer icon and then choose Hue Saturation. Now inside of Hue Saturation with the hand tool selected, click on that yellow teeth. Move the hue all the way to the right and then move the saturation all the way to the right to see which areas are being affected. Now this is the range that we are affecting right now, so we can make the range narrower, and that would be the first step. Make the range as narrow as possible. And holding from the middle, we will move the range to the left and right and stop at the point where exactly that teeth is being affected. Now make the range a little larger by holding this point so that all of the teeth is selected. Then bring the saturation and the hue back to normal. Now all you need to do, decrease the saturation, and problem solved. If you want to brighten it a little bit, you can also increase the lightness. If you want to add a little bit of red to it, take the hue to the left. And it's almost done. But sometimes it also can take away yellow from the skin. So select the mask, press Ctrl or Command+I to invert the mask, turn it to black, then make sure the foreground color is white and take the brush and paint on the teeth. This is the before and after.
For more update, subscribe to our channel, click the show link and enjoy watching the videos.